So Bread Factory has been operating for the last 20 years, making artisan bread. We grew massively in the last few years when people realized the benefit of having healthy bread. The last 4 years was the biggest growth we've seen since we started operating. We're now at 650 employees operating from 7 sites. When I met with James, I told him what I need. I wanted an account manager, someone that will be over the phone with me if I need something, that will come to visit and will make sure a smooth run.
I've been the Bread Factory's account manager for the last 8 to 9 months when we took over the contract.
My priority is to ensure that everything operationally runs smoothly. The Bread Factory has a direct line to me for any day-to-day issues that need addressing, and we meet regularly to review operational performance and to discuss potential service improvements that could be added.
It's important for Simply Waste to deliver a smooth service for the Bread Factory so that we have little impact on their own operation. We installed some larger compactors such as the one behind me, which limited the number of movements of vehicles on the site and increased the productivity in terms of waste output for the site. The machine itself stores and compacts general waste, so anything that the site have surplus to requirement goes in the back of this machine. There's a bin lift operated on the front, which allows the site a smooth process from transferring the waste from indoors to the machine itself, so again increasing their productivity. The first thing we needed to do was visit site and see what waste streams they actually produced.
As well as bakery waste, the Bread Factory produces 2 other types of waste: general or residual waste, which is fed into 3 on-site compactors, and cardboard waste, which is also compacted and baled on site. To reduce the number of waste miles on the road, the residual waste collected on site is taken to a transfer site in London. From there, it is barged down the River Thames to a waste-to-energy plant in Belvedere, East London. Here, the waste is converted into electricity, which is then used to heat and power homes locally.
The environment is very important for us. We produce a lot of waste, 50 to 60 tons a month, so it's very important for us what's happened with it once it's left these premises. Working with Simply Waste made life a lot easier for me. When I run an operation that has 650 employees from 7 units, this is one of those things I don't want to deal with on a daily basis. And James and his crew in Simply Waste took this headache away from me.